my Jamaican friends in France. Listen, Oliver Samuels here. And I just want to remind you, see, that the event for the 3rd and 4th, the Jamfête event for the 3rd and 4th is only happening on Sunday the 4th because, you know, the COVID situation and all kind of something. So I am imploring you to go and celebrate, support the event, and keep our Jamaican flag flying high. It is from Sunday the 4th of October from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Brunch, them call it. You eat so tell you can't eat no more. Eat up the lovely Jamaican food because enough of up there. You forgot all the food to cook and some have 10 big finger. So me want you to just go and enjoy yourself, eat as much as you can, and continue to keep Jamaica's flag flying high in wherever part of the world you are. So all the best and hope that you keep safe. Listen to all of the health instructions them and watching up. Me I hope say everything we pass, that dirty thing that we pass, because me want to look for you next year, man. God bless. Thank you so very much.